Hey guys, just wanted to share with you my little tool haul here. As you can kind of tell, I'm building up my tools for holding parts in place. So let's take a closer look at them. First of all, these magnets here made by StrongHand Tools. I'm actually a pretty big fan of what they have to offer. Got a lot of good stuff out there, especially for the welders. So main reason why I got these is you can get that on-off magnet switch there. So if you obviously when you have it on, then you'll be holding the pieces together firmly, but as soon as you don't need it anymore, just turn that off and you can just take it right off. You don't have to fight with the magnet. So, and it also helps with cleaning them or keeping them clean as well. So, and then I got this mag tab also made by StrongHand Tools. There's a lot of different applications for this. Go through this little pamphlet here. Gives you just a glimpse of the different ways you can use this tool. So yeah, like I said, use your imagination. It's good stuff there. All right, then I got some pony clamps here. I believe these are the 3-inch ones. And made in USA. I know there's some out there that aren't made in the USA anymore. They're kind of outsourcing, or they have outsourced them before, but those, good deal. Still made in the USA. So it's got some good clamping force there. But all right, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Looking forward to using these tools, but like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Later.